Welcome to Talent Education Zone, where learning becomes an adventure. Today, we're diving into the world of integers, where practical understanding meets long-term retention. Integers, the building blocks of mathematics, can sometimes seem daunting. But here at Talent Education Zone, we believe in learning by doing. Our first student grasped the concept through hands-on simulations and real-life applications. But we know that simply understanding isn't enough. To truly master integers, we need to remember the rules and properties for the long haul, and that's where note-taking comes in. In our colorful classroom, we're not just jotting down facts and figures. We're creating vibrant, personalized notes that stick in our minds for ages. With a touch of creativity and a splash of fun, our notes become more than just words on a page. They're visual reminders of our journey through the world of integers. And the best part? These notes aren't just for show. There are secret weapons for quick revision and easy recall whenever we need them. So whether you're scribbling on a touch panel or crafting your masterpiece in a notebook, remember, at Talent Education Zone, learning is an adventure, and our notes are the treasure maps to success.